Hey, what's up friends? Welcome back to SMC Health and Fitness. This is Syed Muzammil, Health, Fitness and Nutrition Coach. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the instant update on my latest videos. Today I am gonna share with you a homemade mass gainer shake. This homemade mass gainer shake is for the heart gainer. This shake is for the people who are not able to gain their weight easily. In this mass gainer shake, there will be around 1000 calories, a good amount of protein, carbohydrates and fat. But remember one thing, you cannot rely on one particular meal or one particular shake. Your overall daily calorie intake is very much important. The reason I am showing this mass gainer shake recipe is this mass gainer shake has high amount of calories. You can drink this in your breakfast also. If you are too skinny, you can drink this twice in a day, one in breakfast and one in the evening. So without wasting the time, let's see the recipe.